What is common between lemon, curd and soft drinks? They all are food which contain acids. What are acids? The word acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, meaning sour. Some common examples of acids are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, perchloric acid, acetic acid, phosphoric acid, boric acid. Hydrochloric acid has molecular formula HCl, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, perchloric acid HClO4, acetic acid CH3COOH, phosphoric acid H3PO4, boric acid H3BO3. Now let us discuss some properties of acids. 1. Acids are sour in taste. 2. Acids change the color of blue litmus to red. 3. Acid reacts with bases to form salt and water. 4. Acids react with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. An aqueous solution of an acid has pH less than 7. A lower pH means a higher acidity and a higher concentration of positive hydrogen ions in the solution. Chemicals or substances having the property of an acid are said to be acidic. Many biologically important molecules are acids. For example, nucleic acids such as DNA and RNA. Acid-base equilibrium plays a critical role in regulating mammalian breathing. Some drugs also contain acids. For example, aspirin and penicillin are drugs that contain some weak acids. Natural fruits and vegetables also contain acids. Now let us discuss about some common acids and where they are found and what are their uses. Hydrochloric acid is found in gastric juice in the stomach and it activates the digestive enzymes which facilitates digestion. Tartaric acid is commonly found in mangoes and tamarind. Citric acid is found in citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons. Oxalic acid is present in tomatoes and spinach. Some organisms also produce acids for defense. For example, ants produce formic acid. Ascorbic acid is present in foods such as amla, Indian gooseberry, lemon, citrus fruits, and guava. Many acids are used as food additives to preserve them. They are called preservatives. For example, phosphoric acid is found in soft drinks. Acetic acid is found in vinegar and is used to preserve pickles. Sulfuric acid is used as an electrolyte in car batteries. Acids are often used to remove rust and other corrosion from metals in a process known as pickling. Acids are also used in industries to produce fertilizers. For example, nitric acid reacts with ammonia to produce ammonium nitrate. Acids are also used to produce detergents and dyes.